I got this great little 4-channel mixer. It's for AV production. You can use it for live sound, podcasting. Really phenomenal little product here. Compact, small, about as big as my hand. This is perfect for podcasting, great for musicians, for practice spaces, maybe take it on the road. You just want a simple way to do a lot of multi-tracking. Track 1 and 2, or channel 1 and 2, allows for both XLR as well as 1/4 inch, which is nice and convenient. You also have your 3rd and 4th lines are 1/4 inch. Your monitor outs are both 1/4 inch, and your main outs are XLR. You got your phones jack, traditional EQ, effects controls. You also have extra 1/8 inch connections for iPods or another microphone or another headset mic. You got your USB. This records to USB, so you plug your computer into this. Really has everything that you could need. I really like the 99 preset sounds. Everything from your bright room, hall, chamber, to your tremolo, heavy flanger, chorus, delay, all the works. 99 different presets, which is nice. This is a great product for podcasters, musicians. It's, like I said, small, sturdy. Throw it in your backpack, take it on the road, use it in your practice space or traveling to do podcasts. Really great little mixer. Highly recommended.